So my goal today is to get that pile of scrap lumber or yet to be used lumber, I guess. And we want to put it up in the ceiling, put a rack up in the ceiling, just get it up out of the way. So here's the design. It's pretty basic. It's black pipe, elbows, T's, and flanges. 4 units to installed at 16-inch centers for an 8-foot span. These sections of black pipe turned upside down in the ceiling in 3 different spots, 4 different spots. I'm going to build 3 more of those rack pieces. I got 1 up, and I can only use 2 of the screw holes. There's 3 screw holes in the floor flange, but that seems to be plenty. I mean, I can put all of my weight on it. Here I'm measuring the distance from the wall to the first one I installed to make sure that the next 3 are the same distance from the wall so the lumber can all line up on the rack. "24 inches wide as expected, and here it would be it would be ideal if it fit on the pipe perfectly, which is 23 inches. 24 extends out to the edge of the elbow and the T, and then some. So it's going to be a bit bunched up. So I can either cut off an inch, or, which I'm inclined to do despite the hassle, or try to wrestle with it at 24 inches. I think I'm going to go with 23. And what I'm going to do is wrap it around and then drill some holes and put some screws in here, and probably just do that at the ends. So I guess I'm cutting some wire. So if I cut to the second wire end, right along that wire, I'll have about 23. I'll have exactly 23, and I got a bit of leeway up there, so 23. So right there, there's about an inch right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pre-drill some holes in the pipes. I bought these black 1/2 inch self-tapping. Maybe I'll just try with the self-tapping. But the pipe's pretty thick. It's not like I'm doing it into aluminum or, you know, sheet metal. It's pretty thick. So I'll do the pre-drill and see what happens. And that's the idea. So I'm really happy with the way things turned out. I'm mostly happy about getting stuff off this floor so we can use it more. The irony being that I'm probably going to put the sawhorses back because we've got this 16-foot lumber, but nevertheless we'll be able to manage things better in the future. And we can reuse this lumber, and we can, you know, have a better chance of finding what you're looking for. So, I hope you found this useful, and thanks for watching. So I was getting some nailers from the lumber rack from another video, and lessons in building a lumber rack. A lot of extra light bulbs on hand when the light bulb's right behind where you pull the lumber out.